If you love sweet and salty, you're going to love these candy-dipped pretzel rods. Not only are these super tasty, but they also look fantastic on your party snack trays. Here they are with our chocolate pretzel treats and our candied pecans. Be sure to check out the description after the video for the complete ingredients list. We're going to get started here by grabbing about 16 pretzel rods, and you want to make sure you're getting full pretzel rods. Oops, see, that little guy snuck in there. We're going to get that out, replace that with the full-length pretzel rods. Let's break off 4 squares of the almond bark, which is apparently easier said than done. We've got those into our small dish, and we're going to follow that up with a ½ tablespoon of shortening, and this will thin out the almond bark just a bit, making it much easier to spread across the pretzels. We're going to bring this over to the microwave and microwave that on high for 60 seconds, and after 60 seconds, check our progress, and stick it in for another 45 to 60 seconds, and this should do it. We'll mix that up here fully. Yep, that's perfect. Bring that over to the island here and keep that stirred up nice and fully. And then we're going to get those pretzel rods all ready to go, and we're going to start applying them to the pretzels. Julie generally does this by just putting that pretzel right into that dish and grabbing that spoon and just making sure it's applied all fully across that pretzel rod. And then after she's done, she places that onto her parchment paper. She generally grabs about 2 pretzels at a time and then applies the sprinkles right away, which helps ensure that the sprinkles stick to that pretzel rod. Now we're going to see her apply that first round of sprinkles to these first 2, and she's just going to repeat this for every pair of pretzels, being sure to get a variety of colors and style of sprinkles. And certainly if you're enjoying this video, be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. We'd love to have you around for other videos just like this one. We appreciate it. We can see here Julie's getting low on that almond bark, and she's approaching 16 pretzel rods to wrap up this first batch. Now she's going to move into the chocolate and do the same exact thing here with the chocolate flavored almond bark. Whenever Julie does a batch of these candy dipped pretzel rods, she does like to have a chocolate batch and a vanilla batch, which gives a great variety of colors and taste. A nice alternative to sprinkles that we like to do on the chocolate pretzels is to add white stripes. Just melt a ¼ tablespoon of shortening with 1 block of the vanilla almond bark. And while that's in the microwave, we lay out our pretzels that are getting ready for striping. Once that's out of the microwave and fully melted, give that a quick stir certainly. And once you've got that fully mixed, you're going to want to add that to a plastic storage bag and move the contents into one of the corners. And I know in life we say it's not good to cut corners, but here we definitely have to cut a corner. Once that corner is cut, we can use that as our spout to spread that across our beautiful pretzel rods. One helpful note here is when you're cutting that corner, make sure you're holding that bag with the proper or your dominant hand, because Julie was holding it with her left hand here and was realizing, oh no, I'm stuck with my wrong hand. But hey, she made it work. When we get those laid out to serve, don't those just look so fantastic together? Whenever we serve these for a gathering or a party, these certainly draw a lot of attention. And for another super easy snack, check out our butterscotch haystacks by clicking right there. And on the right side of the screen, you're going to see our chocolate pretzel snacks and candied pecans. And again, we'd love to have you as a subscriber and read your comments below. Until next time, God bless.